have a new favorite food, and it's osetra caviar. I had it with the bellini and some creme fraiche. Am I pronouncing anything correctly? And I don't know. Am I eating this correctly at all? I don't know, but it tastes very good, and I'm happy to be eating it at home. Well, okay, so first I'm thinking like, I'm so happy to be eating this in the comfort of my own home in case I'm doing it incorrectly, but also I'm putting it on the internet. Cooking recipe that I found on HelloFresh, but it's a fancy recipe. And guess what? This is not part of the recipe, but real truffle. They're really hard to find. This is my second glass, but I'm not driving. It's just like the restaurants. Well, there you go. Oh, how cute. Whenever I make truffle risotto, like I like to eat like the spoon. I don't do that with cake batter, brownies, nothing but risotto. Okay, I'll try to do this with one hand. Ta-da! From the H Deco collection. The soy dish. Oh, I didn't know it was this big. Oh, I want this for you guys. You guys should get these too. But I'll use this. Remember those walls I built? Baby, they're tumbling down. They didn't even put up a fight. They didn't even make a sound. I found a way to let you in, but I never really had a doubt. Standing in the light of your halo, I got my angel now. The whole sky is all the way white right now. It's dry though, which is actually nicer to drive in. I like the rain when I'm like staying at home, but this is nice. I'm gonna buy a boy out. Well, should I really say what I'm buying? I don't have a specific SA at Louis Vuitton. Like every time I've gone, it's been someone else. And I'll like collect their business cards and stuff, but I don't have like one specific person who I go to. But I think before I go in, there's a wallet that I've been wanting, but it's sold out. So I think whoever it is, I'll ask them the deets on that wallet. And yeah. So pretty. So yeah, there's so many I don't know if you can hear me. I hope I don't get copyright, but there's so many boots that I want to buy, but I have big legs. You can't just buy like any boot, and they don't have inventory in stores. Those Shark Lock boots, they're from like a couple of seasons ago or whatever. I don't care. I think they look so cool. I went to Nordstrom and tried on like 6 pairs of boots and 0 fit my legs, so I'm not going to try my luck at buying designer boots online. Okay, so I drive my car all the time. But of course, right in front of the valet, I was supposed to put my car in park, and I put her in reverse. And I was like, this is my first time trying this mask. This is a lipstick-friendly mask that makes me look like Cyrano de Bergerac or something. Can you even hear me? Can anybody hear me? I don't know. I made sure they have inventory available of what I'm looking for, so I'm just gonna grab that really quick and ask them about the wallet for me because I want it. I like their monogram Eclipse. That's my new favorite thing when it's like that black and gray. It's like my favorite thing, so yeah, that's cute. I love that. But I don't know if I love that stuff. Maybe that. Shoes. They have a dog. They have a dog waste bag right beside Louis Vuitton. You know they would accept my dog. What? There's a dog in here. So I ordered one of my items, and then one was available in the store, one I have to order and pick up. So that one I'm definitely bringing my dog. Okay? Okay. Somehow these Sunday hours are like 4 p.m. It's 1 and I'm very hungry, so we'll just do that another day. Maybe when I pick up the order or something. Oh, going through a revolving door, but we'll do that another time. It's really worth the wait, trust me. I love John Howie. I went there on my birthday. Just hanging out here. Just wanted to give a shout out to my man, Santa Claus. How cool is that? I love him. Hi. Tell him what you want for Christmas and try to sit on his lap. His lap is like taller than me. I like this mask a lot. I don't have any, I messed up a little bit on my, a car's coming. I messed up a little bit, like my lipstick, I think just because like it doesn't breathe as well, so you know it does that. So it kind of got on my lipstick, but aside from that, it's really good. I love these little winter outings. Next time when I come pick up the next item, I'll have a cuter outfit, I think. I was just relaxed today. But I'm definitely bringing my dog. Super successful trip. I'm excited about it. And yeah, I'm just going to light this candle. This is vanilla pumpkin marshmallow. I still have a few of these. I don't mind because it is November. I have like a lot of them. I was kind of stingy on lighting them, so I have a bunch, but that's great. Also, hold on one sec. I wanna believe in everything that you say. Even though it's the holiday cup at Starbucks, I still get a pumpkin spice latte. What? Can you see it? Grande pumpkin spice latte. Soy milk, split shot, or half calf. No whip. That's how I roll. Anyway. I wanna believe in everything that you say, because it sounds so good. But if you really want me, move slow. There's things about me you just have to know. Sometimes I run, sometimes I just almost squeezed my whole finger in through that sliding glass door. Okay, I was distracted by Brittany. Just ordered some takeout. Where we go, they say like mashed potatoes are for dinner, which is like after 4:30 p.m. But it was a choice on their website, so I chose it, knowing that it's not 4 p.m. They gave me French fries. Okay, I'm just trying something. I'm just gonna take, I have great lighting. I have some truffle butter from Seattle Caviar Company that I ordered a couple weeks ago. And I'm just going to throw this in a pot, melt it, and then throw the fries in this. I like truffle fries. And I also like to do things that don't piss me off. So I think that truffle fries would lift up my mood enough to where I wouldn't be ticked that I specifically asked for mashed potatoes. Nowhere on the website did it say no mashed potatoes until 4:30. So I thought it was different. I thought they were different. I'm gonna try this out, we'll see. Because I love the truffle fries. I love truffle! So I'm going to melt this butter, throw the fries in it. I have some extra truffle zest for more truffle. It's lighting though. I think this will be a good thing. It's a steak with green beans, not asparagus. I don't mind asparagus, I just don't like the side effects. It's lighting. So this is like semi-homemade, zhuzhed up at home. I don't usually love stuff just the way that it is. You know, to like cook, add some love. Hold definitely they don't need more salt. Good thing I tried it. I don't know where I got this, but I love this. Real truffle, like the mushroom thing. They're not cheap and they taste like dirt. I shaved one on top of my truffle risotto that I love. I got the recipe from HelloFresh and I like to make it and eat it just like with the rotisserie chicken mixed in, but truffle on top tastes like dirt. Much better. I'm at Target right now, trying to get into the holiday spirit. Do you know how much flocked trees are? I didn't know that they were like, I didn't know it was like this. I have a $30 tree that I've used for the past 5 years. I didn't know if they were like, hold on, $280 for that. Why is that 200? I don't think so. I'll look at something else. There's another tree over here. Here, we were on the diet this year. We could get a skinny tree. Still 128. I'm just gonna chop down a tree myself. I have a white tree and it's not lit. No, it is lit and it's $30. No, it's totally lit. So why are these? This baby tree is 92. Like, what's going on? I'm looking for a Christmas miracle right now. Like a 95% off tree. You think I'll find it? Me neither. 40. Oh no.